how to resize a photo as you go through the process of uploading it. So within Moodle now you have this new ability to resize the photo as you upload. When in Moodle, prior to this, if you uploaded a photo, you had to actually go into the HTML coding and know a little bit about coding in order to resize the photo. That is no longer the case. The other thing that is nice is the fact that now as a student they can additionally have the same ability. Prior to this, we would have to tell students to use the attachment, specifically in a forum especially. They would have the attachment, it would be the picture as is. They could not make any changes to it. However, now they do still have the insert image icon right in the HTML toolbar that they're able to use right in the message. The nice thing about this too is it lets you put the picture anywhere in the message. It's not just kind of tacked on where Moodle puts it if it's an attachment. So I'm going to go out there and find a picture. So I'm going to hit find and upload an image. I have one on my computer that I already prepared. When I upload this image, it's loading right now, it's going to go into this Insert Edit Image window. Now normally in the past we would just hit Insert. However, we have some new tabs available at the top that we can use. One of them is the Appearance tab. When you go to the Appearance tab, you have the dimensions. By leaving this box checked next to Constrain Proportions, it will keep the picture proportional, so it won't get skewed long or kind of smashed, wide. So I only have to change one value. Now 1400 is pretty wide, so I'm going to take this down to 400 so it fits better on my page. Notice it automatically converted the other number. Now there are some other things you can change here too, like let's say I want a border around it, so I'm going to put 2, that would be 2 pixels. If I want some space next to the words here. Now it doesn't tell you what these different alignments are, but left or right are going to kind of, these two at the bottom, will actually kind of flow the text around the picture. So I'm going to put it on the left and you'll notice how it flows around the picture there. This horizontal space then can be used to actually put some space there as well. So this is about more than resizing the picture. That's the important part, the dimensions, but you can play with these other values too, and you'll see some interesting effects that you can create using your picture along with the text. Now what's interesting down here at the bottom, it actually does show you the HTML code that it's putting in order to make these changes. When you're done playing with it, but most specifically when you're done resizing the dimensions, hit Insert. And if you get the message, you can hit OK. It's just telling me I didn't put an alternative name. And there is my picture in the message of the forum. This would work in other areas too. And it's resized. That's the actual size that it's going to be. Now if I start typing because of how I set it up, I would have text here to the right of the picture. I don't have any text for this example. I really don't need it. But when I click Post to Forum, get my warning about editing. Now if I go back into the forum, you'll notice my picture is a nice size that other people can see without having to use a horizontal scroll bar across the bottom of the screen. So that would be how you resize the photo as you upload it, along with a couple other features I showed you.